Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, as you guys can see, we're gonna be talking about Whisper, which is a new library for speech recognition. So this is a model that is trained on a massive scale of data of spoken audio. Okay, so we're gonna talking about this model and what it means for the future of speech recognition. So let's go ahead. So introducing Whisper. So I'm just gonna be reading about this model. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the examples that they have provided to us. We've trained in our open source in neural network called Whisper that approaches a human level robustness and accuracy on English speech recognition. So they talked here about English, but this model actually performs very well for non-English languages. Here we have an example of this. Let's see here.
Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget miniature motorcade of Micro Machines. Each one has dramatic details.
So as you guys can hear, it's very fast-paced speak.
Micro Machine
Speech.
pocket place that says a police station, fire station,
So it's
restaurant,
very
service station, and more.
So it's very fast-paced speech. Okay.
Perfect pocket portables to take any place. And there are many miniature playsets to play with, and each one comes with its own special edition Micro Machine vehicle and fun, fantastic features that miraculously move. Raise the boat lift.
So a human could not transcribe this in a first pass. He or she would probably need to hear twice or more to be able to make the sentences that are being spoken. So we can actually review the transcript here. This is done by the speech recognition. We get K-pop, which I don't think is copyrighted. Okay. And we see the English translation. So it's pretty amazing what this model is capable of doing. So we got some French here.
Whisper est un système de reconnaissance automatique de la parole entraîné sur 680 000 heures de données multilingues et multitâches récoltées sur Internet.
So they're talking about how it's a model trained on 680,000 hours of speech. So it's pretty amazing what this mod is capable of doing. I'm gonna be testing as soon as possible.
One of the most famous landmarks on the borders.
So this is in English, which is very thick accent.
3 hills. And the myth is that Merlin, the magician.
So we got here some of detail of the model. So you guys can see that it's trained on 680,000 hours of multilingual and multitask supervised data. So it's pretty. So it's not. So this data is actually massive. It should probably take hundreds of gigabytes. If 1 gigabyte is 1,000 hours or more, so this should have about, I think 1,000 sentences is about an hour more so. So this has about 680 million sentences more so if you use that data. So if I'm comparing to common voice, something like that. So it uses a transformer to no one's surprise, but it encodes the log-mail spectrogram using convolutional network, and the decoder, it does have some thinking to be able to pass the target task. Okay, so you can actually control what kind of output you can have using this block on the decoder. So you guys can see here, it's pretty interesting that they're using a convolutional network. It's actually a Conv1D neural network, which I am a fan of. They are very useful in a lot of NLP tasks. Okay, and if you can using them to use to take advantage of them to do some speech recognition, that's pretty cool. Here we can see more other details. Older existing approaches frequently use smaller, more close paired audio text training data sets or use broad but unsupervised audio pre-training. Because Whisper was trained on a large and diverse data set and was not fine-tuned to any specific one, is not beat model specialized in speech performance. A famously competitive benchmarking speech recognition. However, when we measure Whisper Zero's shot performance across many diverse datasets, we find it much robust. It makes 50% fewer errors in these models. So here they're talking about how the model is not fine-tuned to any specific dataset because it was trained on a massive dataset. So, but it does have good one-shot learning capabilities, which is pretty cool. And here we can see the gist of it, which is English transcription, any to English speech translation, non-English transcription in no speech. I'm very eager to try this model on my future videos. So this is pretty much the gist of it, guys. So this is a huge milestone to speech recognition, and in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to run this on your computer. I'm very excited to see that happening. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, and subscribe, and see you guys soon.